Today will be the first time that I have ever harvested a shower sponge from my garden. Yes, a shower sponge, y'all. Stand by. Yes, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of Luffa gardening. So Luffa is a gourd that belongs in the cucumber, zucchini, and watermelon family. When harvested at the right time, the fruit can be dried and used as a natural sponge. Luffa plants also feature beautiful yellow flowers, which are a stunning addition to any garden, y'all. So young Luffa can be eaten raw or cooked. It's pretty tasty, y'all. Luffas love full sun. So pick a spot in your garden that gets, at least 6 to 8 hours of sun, each day. Space is also a consideration, as loofah vines, can reach lengths of, about 40 feet. So you can start loofah seeds indoors, 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost date. Or you can plant them directly in the ground once it's warm enough. So if you're starting your loofah indoors, use biodegradable pots, to avoid root disturbance. Loofah seedlings do not like their roots to be disturbed. And they can experience, severe transplant shock. So plant the seeds about, 1 inch in depth and keep the soil moist. So loofah plants need regular watering, especially during dry spells. On average, they require approximately 5 gallons of water per week. So you want to be consistent with your watering, but you don't want to waterlog your loofah. You can also use a balanced fertilizer like a 10-10-10. This would just ensure, healthy growth of your vines. You may also want to consider, pruning your vines, just to encourage, better airflow and fruit production. So after a few months of care, it's time to harvest your loofah. I have found that, the best time to pick your loofah, is when the fruits are about 12 to 18 inches long and the skin is, slightly green. You can also, let your loofah mature on the vine until they are, brown and dried out, as you see here. If you choose this method, You know, I have found that if you let the loofah soak in water for about 5 minutes, you know, the skin is, pretty easy to peel, y'all. That's it. Now you're ready to grow loofah. Family, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.